Okay, here we go with workshop 6.2. We're going to talk more about exponents and exponents that are fractions. As you can see over here, we've got the base A to a fraction exponent. And if we kind of look in reverse, this is saying the same thing as this, which looks really, really goofy. We've got a radical sign here. Maybe in the past you've learned about square roots. I'm sure you have. But there are things that are other than square roots. There are cube roots, fourth roots, and we can have any root, which would be this n here, not just square roots of A. And that's also the same as if the parentheses weren't there. So for the first time kind of in math, it doesn't matter if the parentheses are there or not. Usually parentheses say, hey, the order matters here. This is important. And in some radical settings it does. But for the most part, these two are pretty much the same. You're going to see what I mean over the next couple of days. Some terminology here, just so that as I say it in class, you're familiar with it. And I would add this to your notes. This n right here inside the radical is called the index of the radical. It'll tell you what root you're actually looking for. On the inside is the radicand, R-A-D-I-C-A-N-D, radicand. I don't say that quite as much as we say the index. We say the index all the time. But that would just be what you're taking the root of. And then, of course, back to our old terminology from before, A is the base of the exponent itself, which is going to be a fraction. What we're going to seek to do just today, and this is a lesson that's going to take us a couple days, we're just going to seek to go from exponential form to radical form. So think of this lesson as going from English to Spanish or Spanish to English. We can transfer languages. We can transfer from exponential to radical form as well.